Penguins. These charming tuxedo-clad birds are more fascinating than they appear. There are 18 different species of penguins, each with unique traits. From the tiny little blue penguin to the majestic emperor penguin, these birds are incredible swimmers, diving up to 500 meters and staying underwater for over 20 minutes. Penguins are social creatures, living in large colonies that offer protection and help with raising their young. Emperor penguins, for example, endure harsh winters, taking turns keeping their eggs warm. However, penguins face threats like climate change and overfishing, which impact their food and habitats. Yet, their resilience and adaptability are truly inspiring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing animal facts. See you next time.